So it's been another day. I did some body work yesterday. Got a sander charged with another battery, and I have another battery on the charge as we go. I'm gonna be sanding down this whole side, trying to get it to that nice finish layer. I'm running low on Bondo, so I'm gonna see what I have left to do, and then I'll use the rest of that up probably tonight, but we're gonna put some hours in, so let's get at it. So I have dust freaking everywhere, but we're working on the body, and some may ask why I'm doing a lot of body work now. And one thing is, I don't know what I'm doing most of the time when it comes to mechanical stuff. I might be like most of you watching TV as a young 12-year-old, like the Motor Trend channel, watching Roadkill or something like that. So I kind of remember a little bit from them, as well as the engine that I have here, this 304 that we took out. One thing about it was the valves. When I took the heads off, my brother came over and I had some cracked valves, which if I have the photo, I'll throw it up here. The timing chain, as you can probably tell, it has a lot of slop. The machinist should also be able to order my valves, so he has everything correct, so I don't screw anything up. But I had my brother come over, he checked those. My timing chain told me about that, so I'm gonna order those parts here in the next couple weeks. But I figured I'll just do stuff I know, like how to sand and do some body work. So we have this actually smooth as crap, but I'm gonna go in with some more Bondo, fix those little imperfections we got there. And I know I'm still hours away, but we're gonna go after all of this today or tonight. So keep watching, and let's see how far we can get tonight. Alright, so I have the dash here. What I'm going to do is take my drill with the wire brush and start knocking down all this surface rust that's on it. Then I'm going to spray some brake clean on it, and then just slap some extra primer so we don't have the rusting problem. I'm going to get after that.
I do want to try mocking up the dash. We got some primer on it. I know it's going to keep getting dirty, but I don't want any more surface rust. Could deal with it later. Might as well do it now. But kind of see where it needs to be to line up with these holes, and just see how fitment is. Spread out wide enough. Oh, perfect. Let's get this other side completely squeezed in up here on top. We might even, well, let's get this up there first. Might have to do some trimming off the bat, but nothing like a little angle grinder can't fix. But once we clean that up, we are just barely over, as well as over here on the other side. That's lined up, and we are still catching. But for first mock-up, this isn't too bad at all. Morning, everyone. So it is Sunday. We're gonna get some stuff done today. I'm removing this door hinge, but I hate Phillips heads, and these are stripped. So what I'm gonna do is take the old drill and a 3/8 on the back, hold it down, start drilling. We're gonna see if we can extract the screw out, or drill out the screw to remove this hinge, so we can do a little more body work around it. So let's get after it. One down, 14 more to go. Let's get this frickin' thing mounted. Well, at least my holes aren't far off. All right. Oh, hey. I was playing around that we got the steering column and dash mounted today. Or at least mocked up. We got the roll bar removed. We got a crap ton of sanding done on both sides even. And one thing with the steering shaft placement, it is actually hitting the upper support support for my shock. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to change the angle on that. My brother actually has done one before, so he's gonna help us. And other than that, it has been pretty freaking successful of a week. Next week's gonna be a little slower because I'm going on a camping trip with my buddies to Colorado with my Rubicon. After that, we'll be back in the garage for a couple days, and then once again back to Colorado for some wildlife photography for Elk Fest. So I can't wait to show you guys here in the upcoming weeks of what I have and will get done to the Jeep. But I will see you on the next episode.